Today we are going to see what a sales funnel is and what are different types of sales funnel. To explain a sales funnel, let's look at very simple and straightforward funnel. So this is a diagrammatic representation. Here you will see a website with sales funnel which is collecting some information like email address, phone number, combination of email, phone number and many other details. While collecting this information, normally we will be providing them a downloadable report or a coupon code or any such thing where people will be tempted to give their email address or phone number or whatever we are trying to collect. So once we collect that information, normally this funnel will take you to a thank you page, and along with that you can download whatever is being guaranteed in the sales funnel. From thank you page you will be plugged into a email sequence. Normally what happens is the first email or first few emails would be more of a informative or brand awareness emails, and then later they will start plugging you into their products or upsell their services. So this is a very straightforward sales funnel. So first collect the leads and then provide the downloadable files or coupon codes or whatever we have agreed to give, and then start a email sequence to convert them as a client. Now let's look at second type of funnel. In this case it is little more different. Like initially we will be providing them with a lead capturing page on your website. From there we plugged into the email sequence, and along with that you will be offered a one time offer page. So here in the offer page you would be giving a one time offer. Along with that you will be mentioning that okay, download your download will be available in your email, so please check your email and confirm your email address. Along with that, prompting your clients to buy something in this sequence. If they don't agree to buy anything, it's still okay. You will be taken them to a thank you page and they can download their coupon code or free reports. And then obviously email sequence will start and continues as we mentioned earlier. Now let's look at third type of funnel. So this is something little more complicated. Here again leads will be captured and first offer page would be showed to them. Along with that they will be plugged into a email sequence for a offer whatever we are showing them. Again we will be providing them a upsell. So say for example, to make it little more easier to understand, assume that this is an electronic store, and in the lead collection we are saying that you will be providing with 10 different recipes, oven recipes, microwave oven recipes, and people opt in for that, and as an offer you will be showing a 20% discount for microwave oven. Assume that they are not interested or they are just skipping that offer, then again they would be given another upsell which could be a television with 40% offer going on. So still it's basically what we are trying to do here, that we are just testing the water and see how far client will be interested to make a purchase a discount. Otherwise again he will be taken to a thank you page. Now along with that email sequence will be triggered, and on a daily basis or on a weekly basis some information will be provided and slowly trying to convert them to a client. Let's look at little more complicated funnel. In this case, after giving the first offer, there will be an upsell as we mentioned earlier. If that upsell is still not working, then again people will be taken to a downsell. So downsell is nothing but a stabilizer. Say for example TV, they are not interested in TV. Sometimes they might be asked to look at a stabilizer. So stabilizer is having a 50% discount and a same day delivery. So do you want to purchase a stabilizer? So that is a downsell. If still people are not interested, it's cool. They will be taken to thank you page. Along with that, people will be added into the email sequence. So whenever you are going through a funnel, now you might have seen these kind of funnels which you have been going through whenever you are doing a online um, shopping. Now look at another type of sales funnel. So this is little different. So instead of asking for a email address or phone number or any other detail coupon code, here a survey will be presented to you. Say for example, how often do you fly, or when you are planning to purchase a product, are you planning to purchase in a week's time or a month's time? Or maybe this kind of surveys are more relevant when it comes to real estate. Say for example, are you planning to purchase a house in another 6 months time or a 1 year time? Depending on the answer, they will be giving different types of offer pages. So if you are interested in purchasing a house in a week's time, then they will be having a different offer. If they are looking for a house in another 6 months time, then they might be totally having a totally different offer to be presented with. Like that, depending on the survey answers you are giving, you will be presented with the different offers. And then depending on that offers, email sequence would be totally different, taken to a thank you page and then offer whatever is being committed during the initial screen. So these are different types of funnels, and these kind of sequence of different pages where people online shopping sites are taking you through, this is called sales funnel. Hope this is helpful for you to understand what a sales funnel is. In next video we will, on a real time, we will see how to set up a sales funnel on a website. Thank you for watching.